The liability section of the BOP contains a provision that defines who is an insured for liability and medical expense coverages. The precise persons and organizations meeting the definition of an insured depend upon the legal form of the insured business. For example, spouses of the named insured are only considered an insured for two types of legal entities. It cannot be emphasized enough that a person is only an insured with respect to his or her actions on behalf of the insured business. This section of the BOP, titled Who is an Insured, spells out who the named insured is and other persons and entities that are considered an insured under this policy. The legal status of the insured, as indicated on the declarations, determines who qualifies as a named insured. If an individual is shown on the declarations, the individual and his or her spouse are insureds if the designated individual is the sole owner of the business. If a joint partnership or joint venture is shown on the declarations, the partnership or joint venture are insureds, as are members, partners, and their spouses. If a limited liability company is designated as on the declarations as the insured, the LLC is an insured, as are its members and managers. If a trust is designated on the declarations, the trust is an insured, as are its trustees. If an organization that is not a partnership, not a joint venture or LLC is shown on the declarations, that organization is an insured, as are the executive officers, directors, and stockholders. It's important to remember that a person or entity is only considered an insured by the policy when acting on behalf of the insured business. The following are also an insured on the BOP, but only with respect to the product of the insured business or the conduct of the insured business. The insured's volunteer workers, employees, real estate manager, representative with temporary custody of the insured's property, and legal representative if the insured dies.